Hey there, language lovers. Richard here from English with Richard. Today we're brewing up an idiom that's small in size but big in drama. A storm in a teacup. Let's learn and grow, so let's dive right in. The meaning. When we say a storm in a teacup, we're talking about a big fuss or argument over something that's actually very small or unimportant. It's about exaggerating a minor issue, turning a little problem into a full-blown catastrophe. Example, the meeting turned into a shouting match over the colour of the company logo. What a storm in a teacup. The origin of this idiom dates back to the early 19th century, but the idea is much older. The ancient Romans used a similar phrase, Excitabat fluctus, in simpulo, meaning he was stirring up waves in a ladle. My Latin was a bit bad there, wasn't it? Over time, the image evolved across languages. The French said, una tempête dans un verre d'eau, a storm in a glass of water. Again, my French not very good. And the British gave it a more homely twist, a storm in a teacup. Imagine this. At an English office, someone accidentally sends a group email with a typo. Best regards becomes beast regards. Panic erupts, managers call meetings, HR drafts an apology, and all over one missing letter. Now that's a storm in a teacup. Some synonyms and related expressions. Making a mountain out of a molehill. Overreacting. And one for you Shakespeare fans, much ado about nothing. So a C1 vocabulary boost. Exaggerate, C1. To make something seem more serious or important than it really is. Don't exaggerate, it's just a scratch. Overblown, C1. Made to seem more impressive or dramatic than it really is. The scandal was totally overblown by the media. A fun fact, 1972 saw the group The Fortunes have a hit with the title of the song Storm in a Teacup, which was written by Lyndsey de Paul and reached number 7 in the UK charts. Lyndsey de Paul was placed second in the 1977 Eurovision Song Contest, a talented young lady. So next time someone's panicking over something tiny, just smile and say, relax, it's only a storm in a teacup. Stay calm, stay classy, and remember, don't let small things brew big drama. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, see you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.